Hello! Today I will demonstrate how to create a certificate or a webinar certificate with the participant's name using Photoshop and save them automatically as JPEG or image, okay, ready to be attached and to be sent to their email address. Okay, so first thing you need, okay, is to have the certificate or your design. Okay, so we have here your design, okay, the design of your certificate without the name. We have here a blanco, okay, and then of course the content and then the signatories of the certificate. So we will be adding a control number soon, okay, aside from the name, and then a control number here to uniquely identify the certificate, okay, or the participants. Aside from that, we have here the an Excel file which contains, of course, the participant's name. We have here, plus we will be adding the control number. Okay, so on the first row we have here the title, which is participant, and then we have here code. So for example, we will be adding if Sue 001, that's for example, and then if Sue 002, okay, and then automatically yan, okay, we will drag, okay, until 20. Okay, so we have here the participants, of course, and then of course we will be saving this. So first we will save this as CSV. Okay, so I will save it first and then click on file and then save as, and then we have here, we will save it under the folder certificate or cert, and then make sure to change the save as type into, we have here, CSV, comma, delimited. Okay, so I need to choose this one, and then the file name, let's say the same file name, or let's say book, let's say 5, okay, and then we will save it as CSV. Then we have here a question. Are you sure you want to use? Just click on yes and then close now this application or Excel file. Okay, and then we have here now your book 5. All right, next is, of course, you need to import your background. Okay, so I need to get your background, or we need to get the background, drag it on a Photoshop or open it using Photoshop. Okay, we have here your certificate, and then first thing to do is to add a text on the middle. Okay, so I'll go ahead and get letter T, okay, and then click it on the middle on kung saan nilagay yung name, and then let's try to add the participants' names. For example, okay, make sure, okay, yan, and then we will be resizing this one. Okay, make sure that, okay, the text is in what's it called, center text. Okay, para kapag mahaba yung pangalan, naka-center pa din. Yan. Okay, and then you may change the font. So I'll be changing the font. Let's say, ano maganda? For example, like that. Yan na lang. Okay. Alright, so that is the name sample, and then we will be adding a control number here. So control number, okay, and then we will resize that control number here. Okay, I'm going to change the let's say yan, the control number of the certificate, and then I'll be adding another text kung saan ilalagay yung control number. So for example, let's type ifsu 001 sample control number, and then we will resize it. Yan. Okay? So that is, or parang hindi pantay. Yan. That is the control number of this certificate. Now, as you can see here, we have here the name plus the control number. Alright. So, what's next? Okay, we will be adding first the signature. So just for example, we have here the signature. Hindi pa pala na-remove yung... Okay. So we will be adding the signature. If here, just for example, sample lang ganyan, okay? And then the next thing to do is to click on image. Okay, to click on image, and then we have here click on variables, and then we need to define the variable. Okay, we have here choose first the name. Okay, so in here, okay, make sure to type the header name or the spelling of your participant, the correct spelling, uppercase, and then code uppercase. Okay, so make sure let's just copy this one, copy, and then okay, go back to Photoshop. We have here for the layer, the name, okay, text replacement. Okay, we have here text replacement, so you need to replace it with, okay, yan, participant, uppercase. Next is the code, text replacement. Okay, so as you can see here, we use code. Okay, so I'll just copy here this one and then replace it with this. Okay, next is to click on OK. Another, click on image, and then variable, and then datasets. So as you remember, we created a CSV file for this file. Okay, so okay, we need to import that CSV file. Okay, select, and then you need to change the text file to CSV. Okay, we have here now your book 5, and then click on load, and then we have here use first column for dataset name, the first column, that is the dataset name. Okay, so naka-check dapat yan, and then click on OK. Alright, and then as you can see, we have here yan, nagte-change na agad-agad. Okay, now you click on OK. Okay button. Okay, so we have here now the name, and then the control number, and then of course your the content. Right, so we have here the signature. So next thing to do is to click on image. We have here image, and then we have here apply dataset, and then you need to click on apply. Okay, the next thing to do is to save this files individually. Alright, so we will create a PSD file for participant 1, another file for participant 2. So how to do that? So you need to click on file, okay, and then click export, and then have here dataset as files. Alright, so we need to, okay, select the folder where we can save the output. Okay, so we have here cert, and then I'll create another folder under cert. So for example, new folder. Okay, and then I'll click on OK, and then we have here for the file naming. Okay, I just remove the document name here, just this one, none, and then the dataset name para ganun yung magiging output niya, .psd. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and then click on OK. Yan. Alright. Tapusin niya hanggang 20. So as we can check here, under cert, we have here the PSD files individually. Okay, so as we open one file, the content must be like this. Okay, now, how to convert this as JPEG? Okay, how to convert those files or PSD files into JPEG automatically. Okay, the first thing to do is to record an action. So how to do that? So click Window and then Action. Have here Action. Okay, so we will create new action. We have here. Click this, create new action, and then let's say the action is saving JPEG. Okay, saving JPEG, default actions, and then click on record. So click record, and then we have here these steps. Okay, first we will export this as JPEG. So how to do it? So click File, Save As, and then select the file, or let's, for example, we will save it here, new folder. Okay, and then the type, save as type, and then select JPEG, we have here, and then click on save, and then make sure na select large file, and then click OK, and then you may now stop the recording. Stop recording. Now we are now ready to do it automatically. Okay, next we have here File, and then we have here Automate, and then Batch. Okay, under this, or in this batch, we have here the default actions. We have here saving JPEG. Okay, so we will be saving the output, or where are those? Where are those? The source. Okay, we have here new folder. The PSD files are here, new folder. So you need to select new folder, and then of course the destination. Okay, so destination, where do you want to save those outputs? So let's, for example, we will save those under cert, and then we have here under we will create another folder under cert. We have here make another, let's say new folder 2. Okay, and then click OK, and then of course we have here the file naming. Okay, so I'll just you just select document name, yan, plus the extension, and then click on OK. Yan, the Photoshop is doing it automatically. So if you have 100 participants, you need to wait. Gagawin niya yan 100 times. So yan, so we will just wait. Okay, right. Alright, it's done. Now let's check para mali. O, tama. New folder, we have here the new folder, and then parang nagkabaliktad. Yan. Anyway, we have here the result. Okay, as you can see, we have here Aaron Anablon. We have here ifsu 013. Let's check. Anablon Aaron. Where is Ana? We have here ifsu 13. Okay. Next, let's try this one. Cherian Alaga. ifsu 011. ifsu Alaga Cherian Where are you? IFSU 11. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you've learned something, right? Bye bye.